Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Confirm Power Automate Desktop and Excel are on the same Windows machine and your XLSM is ready. Once done, enable macros in Excel Trust Center and note the macro name exactly. Make sure Power Automate Desktop is signed into the same account you'll use in the cloud. Then create a new desktop flow. This is the enforced, only reliable path to execute VBA from Power Automate. Begin by recording or adding actions to open Excel and the target workbook. Next, add the core actions. Use Launch Excel to open the workbook and select the correct instance. Then add Run Excel macro, supplying the macro name as module name. Macro name if needed. This calls the VBA procedure directly. Once the macro runs, include save and close workbook actions and add short waits to ensure file I/O completes. Also add try/catch or error branches so you can log failures. This middle section executes the macro reliably and prevents race conditions when automating Excel. Finally, connect the desktop flow to a cloud flow trigger or schedule so the macro runs unattended. Make sure the machine is unlocked or configure unattended run with the Power Automate Desktop agent and proper credentials. Test the flow manually, then run it from the cloud to confirm end-to-end behavior. If things go wrong, run the desktop flow in interactive mode to see errors, check Trust Center macro settings, confirm exact macro name and workbook references, and review the desktop flow logs for exception details.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.